Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. I have an amazing platform called My Instant Pays. Guys, I've seen a lot of programs over, 8 years, the course of my career, and this is one of the most powerful platforms that I've seen in a long time. Guys, let me tell you about My Instant Pays. This system is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm not hyping this up. It really is good. I had a look at the back office. Okay, guys, here we are in the members area. Powerful stuff. They have Facebook training, Instagram training, Twitter training. They have an upgrade website builder. So let's check out the Facebook training, okay? Go ahead and click on this. Okay, guys, as you can see, the scroll bar here is very small. They have some powerful training. They have a mastermind training video set. Now I'm gonna go down here. This is the actual stuff that I do, that I always talk about as far as driving traffic to anything that I want to do, as well as ranking videos. This is actually, they're letting my secret out the bag. They're letting my secret out the bag. They even go over outsourcing, which I also talk about, becoming a boss and having employees. Amazing. This training is powerful. How to get leads with Facebook groups. Guys, this is the stuff I teach. How to sign up for groups. This is the stuff I teach. Free network marketing leads on Facebook. Again, live recruiting on Facebook. I go over this. 70 signups to my business with Facebook. Generate crazy engagement on your Facebook profile overnight. Guys, this is some of the best, and I'm not just saying this. I'm not just saying this so you can sign up with me. If you don't even sign up with me, if you just want to look at this video, this is some of the best Facebook training I've ever seen in one place, period. And I'm not just saying that because I joined it. This is like the best. This is the same stuff that I do, and it's like they're giving away my trade secrets. They're not really my secrets, but marketers who have been marketing for years know these secrets because they've come to understand the psychology of how social sites work and social engineering works. So it's all here. But that Facebook training alone is enough to get you leads and get money in your pocket. Let me tell you why. Let me explain the psychology of PayPal. When people see a lot of times people will say you need a list in order to get referrals. When it comes to multi-level marketing, MLM, having a downline, creating teams, training up your teams and those type of things, you do need a list. You very well need a lot of tools in place. You need a lot of you have to put money into your business. And a lot of people who are just starting out have a hard time putting a lot of money into a business they don't understand yet. And a lot of the upline, the coaches, the sponsors just don't have the time, nor a lot of times the energy with their life and what they have going on, to take every single lead by the hand who joins up underneath them, a new recruit, and to teach them step by step and answer all of those questions that they're going to have. And everybody's different in their intelligence and their knowledge and their experience. So you have to deal with them on so many different levels. And sometimes it's just too overwhelming. That's why I don't subscribe to multi-level marketing, because it's just not, the programs are usually never put together well enough to teach a newbie from the ground up. And there's two reasons for that. Sometimes those who are up at the top this is just my opinion, they don't want too much knowledge going out because it is actually inviting competition on themselves. This is why when I look at this program, it just amazes me that is not the case. They're actually telling you what to do to truly get referrals. Now, let me go back to PayPal. PayPal is so trusted. It's so trusted and so easy to use and so popular with so many people who are hanging around Facebook groups and in the Facebook space, that online, the internet marketing space, that when they see PayPal, they get happy because they know they don't have to go find their wallet. 9 times out of 10, most people don't have their credit card in their back pocket when they're surfing the internet. So they have to get up. Just think about the process. When they see that, they have to get up, go get the wallet, and that is a psychological thing because you have to think about going to make a payment. So you have to get up, you have to move over to wherever your wallet is to get that plastic, okay, to come back, and all that time they're thinking, do I really want to do this? Should I really do this? This is such an impulsive thing, and that is the reason why sales are less with credit cards than they are with PayPal. because it's that psychological pulling out the card, searching through the numbers, looking on the back, giving away personal information that you hold dear, right? With PayPal, it's like 2 clicks, an email enter, and that's it. So it's a lot more trusted, and because of that, and it's a lot simpler. It's the lazy man's way to pay. So because of that, you're going to get a lot more instant PayPal signups, because the gratification is much easier. They don't have to look at their credit card. They don't have to go through all the motions. Okay. So when you come into this type of training and you learn how to actually put your, URL, your affiliate link out there into, all over the place, YouTube, Instagram, like they're showing you, Twitter, Facebook, you're bound to get sales, because people see it and they want they want a simple system, just like you wanted a simple system. See, whatever caused you to join is what's going to cause them to join, and they don't have to have a downline. They don't have to worry about getting this huge downline. All they need to do, all they have to focus on, is just sharing their link all over as many places as they can, as often as they can, and the sales begin to come in. This thing is the real deal. Okay, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and click the link below, join up on my newsletter. You'll find my instant page right there for you. Okay, I'm gonna be promoting this hard. I'm gonna be making some videos. My instant pays, amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Click the link below.